some important terms what we are using when we subtract sums. So before video we talk some example sums. So today we will talk another example. First I will find the sum what they are asking. The total population of a country is 1, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. 8 crore, 32 lakhs, 48,000. This is the total population. Total population means that people strength in country, that much people are there. But what is the question? If the number of females in that country, they have males, females, means women's 1, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. 3 crore, 8 lakhs, 43,175 is the female count. Then what is the male count? So now I want to find out male count. So what are the count we have? We have total count. So total population is, what is this? 83,248,000. Is a total population. Then female count 5, 7, 1, 3, 4, 8, 8, 3. This is the female count. Now we want to find out the male count. So what we want to do? We have to subtract from this to this. So it's a minuend, it's a subtrahend. So it's a large number, no? From large number to small number we have to subtract, then we can find the male count. So for that, then upper side we call minuend, down side we call subtrahend, you know. So 0 minus 5 we cannot subtract. So we need to borrow from here, but here also not there, here, then here. So what I will do, I will borrow from here 1, so it will become 7. The 1 jumps here, it will become 10, but again I want to jump. So here 10, again I want to jump, then here 9. Now 10 minus 5, 10 minus 5, 5. Then 9 minus 7, 2. Okay. Then 9 minus 1, we know 8. 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3, 4. Okay. 4 minus 4, 0. 2 minus 8, we can't subtract. So we have to borrow nearby one number. So it becomes 2, here 12. Then 12 minus 8, 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 4. Then here 2 minus 8, again we can't subtract, so we have to borrow nearby number 1. So here 7, here 12. Then 12 minus 8, again 4. Then 7 minus 3, 4 na? So 4. So put comma as per the Indian number system. So what is the count of male count? 1, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So 4 crore, 44 lakhs, 4,825 is the male count. So finally we can take and write the male count is 4 crore, 44 lakhs, 4,825. So this is the answer. Okay. Okay students, let me discuss another example subtraction sum. So the question is, what must be added to this number, you will get this number. So what the question? This is the one number. Okay, we need to we want to find out another number. if you add that number to this number, we will get this number. So how to find out that number? See, it's a example, we keep it, it's a subtrahend. Okay, it's a subtrahend. We have to subtract from another number, minuend. So that minuend they didn't give. But if you add that minuend to the subtrahend, you will get that this difference. So how will you find out that minuend? So this is the one number. We want to find out another number. That number we don't know. If you add that number to this number, you will get this number. This is the situation. How you will find out? So you can find how. If you subtract from this number to this number, we can find the second number. This is the first number. We don't know second number. If you subtract from this number to this number, we can get the second number. So let me check how to find that second number. First I will put this number. So 3, 6, 9, 2, 3, 8, 3. So when you subtract, you have to arrange the number column wise. It's a very important. You always start with the right to left. First number means it's a minuend. You can write, give some space each and every number. But when you start writing the second number, you have to start with the right to left. It's very important. So this is second number, So I start right from. I have to start right from the right side. So it's a subtraction sign. So I am going to subtract. So 3 minus 7 we can't subtract because minuend is small, subtrahend is big. So if these kind of numbers we cannot subtract. So we have to borrow nearby number. So here 6 is there. If you subtract from 1, it will become 5. That 1 here it comes, it will become 13. So 13 minus 7, how to find? 7 here, 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11. So 4 is the difference. Then after 5 minus 9, we can't subtract. So we have to borrow nearby number, sorry, yes. I put wrongly. So 13 minus 7. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 6, sorry. Okay. Now 5 minus 9, we can't subtract. We have to borrow one number from nearby number. So if you borrow here, it will become 8. If once here now, it will become 15. Okay. So it will, before it was 13, Okay. Now 15. So 15 minus 9, 9 after 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Again 6. Okay. Now here minuend is 8, subtrahend is 4. We can subtract. So 8 minus 4, 4. The difference is 4. Then 2 minus 5, we can't subtract. We have to borrow nearby number. So here 3 is there. If you subtract, if you borrow 1 from this number, it will become 2. Here become 12. So 12 minus 5 we can subtract, So 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 7. 7 is the difference. Then 2 minus 1 we can subtract. So 1. 8 minus 3 we can subtract. How? 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 5 is the difference. Then 3 minus 6 we can't subtract. We have to borrow nearby number. So here 7 is there now. So if you borrow from here 7, it will become 6. But here become 13. So 13 minus 6, 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 7 is the difference. 6 minus 4, we know 2 is the difference. Okay. This is the second number. I find it easily. So they told no, what must be added to this number, you will get this number. So if you add this number to this number, now we can get this answer. Do you want to check? See. Now this is the first number, middle end. This is the second number, subtrahend. If you add this both, no, we can get this number. Do you want to check? So I will write this middle end first one, no? Middle end first I will write here 4, 6, 3, 1, 5, 4, 9, 7. The second number, subtrahend, no? I will take and write here 6, 6, 4, 7, 1, 5, 7, 2. If you add this two number, we can get this total, okay? We can get this total, okay? 7 plus 6, 13, no? 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 1, 13. So 13, 3, remainder 1. 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 6, 16. Remainder 1. 4 plus 4, 8, plus 1, 9. Then 5 plus 7, 12. 5 plus 7 plus 5, 12. 12 we can put 2, remainder 1. Okay, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. Okay. Then 5 plus 8, 5 plus 3, 8. Then 6 plus 7, 13. 13 we put 3, remainder 1. Then 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. If you cross check this number, see 7. If you cross check now, 7, 38, 32, 963. So same, no? So this is the way we can find the second number. They give first number and then they give total. They will ask find the second number like the million subtrahend. As per the subtraction terms, no? They will ask like this. So this is the way we can find and check the numbers. Welcome students. Today we are going to solve the exercise sum chapter 2 addition and subtraction. In that exercise 2 I have taken one example sum. So the sum is what should be added to ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. 1 crore, 80 lakhs, 78,975. If you add this number to get this number, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. 5 crore, 55 lakhs, 55,555. So what they asked, so here number 1 is there. We need to find out the second number. So what is that number? We need to find out. If you add the second number and this number, we will get this answer. So how to find out the second number? It's a minuend. Now we need to find out the subtrahend. Okay. So it's a one number. Number 1 we will keep like this. Is our number 1. We need to find out the number 2. If you add that number 1 and that number 2, we will get this answer. So how to find that second number? So already we taught that this kind of example. Again we will revise. So what I will do? I will subtract from this number to this number. I am going to subtract from this number to this number. Then I will get the second number. So for that, first I told you, whenever you subtract, add or whatever, you just write the place value. Then arrange the number column wise. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So as per this chart, we can arrange the number to column wise. So first I will take this number. It's a big number. So I will take as a minuend. So 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Then I will take as a subtrahend the first number. So 5, 7, 9, 8, 7, 0, 8, 1. So I am going to subtract this number. I am going to subtract from this number to this number. So we know 5 minus 5, 0. 5 minus 7, we can't subtract because it's a small number. Minuend is small, subtrahend is big. So in this situation we can't subtract. So we need to borrow from nearby number. So here I am going to borrow. So if you borrow the nearby number, it will become here 4. So here 15. So I will put 15 here. So 15 minus 7. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 8 is the difference. Now if you look at it here 4, then downside 9. We can't subtract. So we have to borrow nearby number. So here already 5, but borrow nearby one number no. So here 4. So 14, it will become 14. So 14 minus 9. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 5 is the difference. Then next one. Now 4 minus 8 we can't subtract. So we have to borrow nearby number. So here 4, it will become 14. So 14 minus 8. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 6 is the difference. Okay, here 4, downside 7. We can't subtract. So we have to borrow nearby number. So here become 4. Here 14. So 14 minus 7. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 7 is the difference. Then 4 minus 0. We can subtract. So 4 as it is. 5 minus 8. We can't subtract. So I will borrow nearby number. So 15. 15 minus 8. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 7 is the difference. 4 minus 1, 3. So this is the second number. If you add this number to this number, we can get this total. So I find the second number. It's the first number, it's the second number. If you add both this number, you will get this answer. Okay.